Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is TCP/IP protocol suite, because we need to have a clear understanding of what is TCP and what is IP and their structure and their working procedure. But before that, let's understand about TCP/IP as a combination of protocol. So it's a suite of protocol. Okay, so we start with TCP/IP is a set of rules, that is protocols governing communications among all computers on the internet. So TCP/IP as a protocol, we say protocols are what? They are the set of rules that are followed during communication on the network, especially internet. More specifically, TCP/IP dictates how information should be packaged, that is turns into bundles of information called packets, sent and received, and how to get its destination. Okay. So TCP/IP was developed in 1978 and driven by Bob Kahn and Vint Cerf. So these are the two key people or resource persons who are responsible for the like invention, or rather you say the development of TCP/IP. And as an history, a short history to TCP/IP, I have given you over here in my lecture. That is, the history of TCP/IP relates to the history of internet. As in when the internet evolved, so does the TCP/IP evolve. तो अगर आप चेकआउट करें तो TCP/IP की history और internet की history goes parallel. Okay, so it says that there is a Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, that is DARPA. It is an agency of US Department of Defense. They created TCP/IP model in 1970 for the use of ARPANET. I don't know how many of you know actually that internet, previously it was known as ARPANET. Internet हमेशा से internet नहीं कहलाता था. जब इंटरनेट था भी नहीं, तब एक नेटवर्क डिजाइन किया था डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस ने for the army and military functioning, right? And that particular network was known as ARPANET. Okay, Advanced Research Project Agency Network, right? It was the network which was developed under the DARPA leadership of, could say, the working of DARPA, which was the agency, research agency of DoD, that is Department of Defense of US. ARPANET was nothing but a wide area network that preceded the internet, as I said. TCP/IP was originally designed for Unix operating system. This is something very important to be remembered as far as your interviews or GS questions are concerned. तो जब TCP/IP का डेवलपमेंट हुआ था, डिजाइनिंग हुई थी, तो इट वाज डिजाइन फॉर यूनिक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. वो बात अलग है कि आज के डेट में मैक्सिमम इंटरनेट यूजर्स दे यूज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज फॉर सर्फिंग टू इंटरनेट. ओके, and it has been built into all of the operating systems that came after it. The TCP/IP model and its related protocols are now maintained by IETF. So we were always told in our beginning like semesters, whenever a teacher explained internet history and working. So we all know that the internet is a public domain network. Means internet is not the private property of any agency or a corporate house. So does the TCP/IP suite also. तो TCP/IP या internet की working को maintain कौन करता है? That is the organization known as IETF. ये volunteer organization है जो engineers, network engineers का एक group है जो voluntarily service provide करता है for the upkeeping of the internet, or rather what you call it as TCP/IP model. TCP/IP और ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन इट इज सेड, जबकि ये दो डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं. TCP इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर प्रोटोकॉल, जबकि IP इज अ पार्ट ऑफ नेटवर्क लेयर प्रोटोकॉल. It is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the internet. TCP/IP can also be used as a communication protocol in a private network, that is intranet या extranet. ऐसा नहीं कि TCP/IP को आप सिर्फ इंटरनेट पर यूज करते हैं, आप उसकी सर्विसेज का लाइक बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं अपने इंट्रानेट या एक्स्ट्रानेट में भी. Next, the entire Internet Protocol suite, that is TCP/IP, is shortly known as a set of rules and procedures, is commonly referred as TCP/IP. There are two main protocols. Though others are also included into this suite. बहुत सारी protocols हैं, हम लोग पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, बार बार हमने आपको बताया FTP, Telnet and SMTP, SNMP, ARP, right? Ethernet protocol of data link layer. So many endless list is there. तो वो भी पार्ट है TCP/IP प्रोटोकॉल सूट का. बेसिकली TCP/IP का काम क्या है? TCP/IP specifies how data is exchanged over the internet by providing end-to-end communication that identify how it should be broken into packets, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received at the destination. तो जो मेजर काम है कम्युनिकेशन का पहला काम क्या होता है? स्टेप जो डेटा हमारे पास आया फॉर बी ट्रांसमिटेड हैज टू बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू द स्मॉलर सेगमेंट्स, okay, according to the size of the bandwidth of the channel, and then these segments then need to be addressed, means इसके ऊपर stamping होती है. stamping होने के बाद फिर routing होती है. that is the protocol decides कि which is the best possible shortest route that a packet or a segment should take in order to get timely delivery. ओके और एक बार डेस्टिनेशन पर पहुंचता है तो वहां पर प्रॉपरली इंटैक्ट पहुंचे. दैट इज एरर कंट्रोल, कंजेशन कंट्रोल, रूटिंग, ये सारे काम होते हैं. और अगर आप देखें तो ये सारे काम ओवरऑल हो कहाँ रहे हैं? जस्ट टू मेन लेयर, ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर एंड नेटवर्क लेयर. ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द पैकेजिंग, ठीक, and the network layer is responsible for the addressing routing. Okay, so this is the working. TCP/IP requires little central management and it is designed to make networks reliable with the ability to recover automatically from the failure of any device on the network. Now, next in my session, I have given you a definition of what is TCP and what is IP. In short, TCP defines how applications can create channels of communication across network. It is also manages how a message is assembled into smaller packets before they are transmitted over the internet and reassembled in the right order at the destination address. पैकेजिंग एंड असेंबलिंग ये दोनों ही काम होते हैं टीसीपी के फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंड टू एंड कम्युनिकेशन मेंटेन करना. अभी आने वाली लेक्चर्स में आई विल बी टेलिंग यू टीसीपी के पैरेलल एक और प्रोटोकॉल वर्क करती है, दैट इज यूडीपी. Difference between the working of both the protocol is both of them are of the transport layer protocol, but TCP is a connection oriented protocol, that is reliable protocol, and jabki UDP is an unreliable protocol because it is a connection less protocol. What do you mean by connection oriented? Connection oriented means there will be a dedicated path between the sender node and the destination node. First that path would be established, only then the message would be transmitted. If there is not a dedicated path maintained, the data transmission will not start. That is a reliable factor. Unreliable communication में होता है in UDP, there is a connection less protocol because there is no dedicated channel being established between the sender node and the destination node. The message is transmitted over this over the network without establishing a dedicated path. So there is no certainty in case of UDP whether the transmitted packet would be received intact at the destination end or not. पहुंचेगा नहीं पहुंचेगा यूडीपी का कोई कंसर्न नहीं, जबकि टीसीपी takes the responsibility and gives you an acknowledgement also कि yes, I have done the job. The packet that was destined for a particular destination has soulfully reached the destination and हम आपको उसकी receiving भी लाके देते हैं. इसके लिए एक एनालॉजी मैं हमेशा लेती हूँ. अगर आप एक पोस्ट सेंड करिए यूजिंग स्पीड पोस्ट मैकेनिज्म और एक जनरल पोस्ट से, डिफरेंस क्या है? अगर एक लेटर आपने पोस्ट किया थ्रू जनरल पोस्ट तो आपको मालूम नहीं चलेगा कि आपका भेजा हुआ लेटर डेस्टिनेशन एंड पर पहुंचा, कब पहुंचा, नहीं पहुंचा. यू आर क्लूलेस अबाउट इट. जबकि अगर आप कोई स्पीड पोस्ट या कुरियर या रजिस्ट्री के थ्रू कोई पोस्ट डालते हैं, ठीक है, रजिस्टर्ड पोस्ट जिसको बोलते हैं, तो पहुंचने के बाद आपके पास एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट जरूर आता है जो आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है कि जो आपने पैकेट सेंड किया था, जो मैसेज सेंड किया था, तो वो इस तारीख तक वहां पर डेस्टिनेशन पर प्रॉपरली रिसीव्ड हो गई है. दैट इज द रिलायबिलिटी फैक्टर. सो दैट इज डन इन टीसीपी. जबकि आईपी डिफाइंस हाउ टू एड्रेस एंड रूट ईच पैकेट टू मेक श्योर इट रीचेस द राइट डेस्टिनेशन. And each gateway or computer on the network checks the IP address to determine where to forward the message. So IP is a protocol what is responsible for addressing and routing. कौन सा चैनल लेना है, किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, क्या एड्रेस होना है, ये सब कौन डिसाइड करता है? IP. Okay, So I hope I have given an introduction of what is TCP and what is IP. In my next live session, I'll be talking in detail and depth about the structure and the working of the TCP protocol. So that's all for today. Thank you.